In less than a week, tens of thousands of Ontario's high school teachers and support staff could be off the job, and doors like this could be locked. I'm Cristina Howorun outside of Jarvis Collegiate, and as of Monday, high school teachers across the province are in a legal strike position. Today and tomorrow, Catholic teachers are actually holding strike votes, and as early as November 25th, elementary school teachers could be off the job. Now, talks are continuing with the government and all three unions, but so far, there's been very little movement by any parties. When it comes to Ontario's public high school teachers, there are three major sticking points.
They continue to insist on significantly larger class sizes. They want to eliminate the caps that prevent classes from getting oversized. Really, the best guarantee that students have for a quality learning environment in terms of their class sizes, the province has proposed completely eliminating them.
My message to parents is this.
Last month, Education Minister Stephen Lecce said he would introduce a cap of 25 students per class. But that's the average size and doesn't factor in things like grade levels or streams. For example, applied students who may need more assistance from teachers. Government sources say they've not yet received a counteroffer from the union.
They're still proposing using our high school students as guinea pigs in a completely untried experiment of 4 mandatory e-learning courses.
The union wants that off the table until there's been further study. But in the end, mandatory e-learning could result in significant job losses for teachers. And the Minister of Education doesn't appear ready to back off. His office declined to comment because negotiations are still underway. But last week, when asked in the legislature if he would back down from e-learning, he said, "I want to reaffirm it today that our government is going to move forward with a plan that embraces modern learning, that embraces technological fluidity, and that gives our young people the ability to learn new skills and have more course offerings." And then there's the issue of compensation. Bill 124, passed late last week, caps all salary increases in the public sector at 1%. That's less than the rate of inflation and about half of what teachers are asking for.
We're not the least bit embarrassed about a proposal that says that my members would make effectively the same next year as they make this year in real terms. So a cost of living adjustment we think is an entirely reasonable proposal.
Now, there is some good news for parents. If teachers from any of the federations decide to actually take job action and strike, they have to give you 5 days notice, which means you'll have enough time to try to come up with some alternative arrangements for your children. Now, although the government says they are very committed to finding a deal, sources within the Ministry of Education say they are also working on contingency plans in the case that job action does in fact take place.